Lachie. We've all seen Lachie before. Lachie, your job changes each day, eh? Pretty much. Every hour. Breakdowns, services, radio in little Yanmars. Come show you a little bit about this Yanmar in here. Lachie usually hides out in the paddock. He hasn't been back at the workshop for probably 2 weeks, eh? You've been flat stick, servicing, keeping everything running out there. But Lachie took this machine apart, I think it probably would have been about 6 weeks ago. We've been waiting on it. We couldn't buy a radiator, so we sent it out to our friends at Abbott's Industrial Cooling, and they built us a new radiator. We couldn't get one, so they made one. Lachie's done her here. He's done a bit of the precautionary stuff. We always try and, especially if you get something made, we always try and make sure that we're putting in the right product. So Lachie puts a bit of cardboard on here just to protect the fins when you're stuffing everything back together. A couple little tips of the trade. We'll show you more on that.